Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I will be showing you how to make a ginormous Among Us figure in Minecraft. Also, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot and it helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so first thing we're gonna wanna do is 2 blocks like that. And then we're gonna wanna do this right here. Because no Among Us foot is just a box. You have to make it like this. Well, actually, their feet are actually very short. How about like 2 more blocks wider? And then we are gonna want to do two blocks like this, like that, right there. We're gonna want to connect the feet like this. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is go up 3 blocks out and then up 4 blocks. We're gonna wanna do a side again and then we're gonna fill it in. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the head. Like that. We're just gonna want to make this side go up as high as this right here. There we go. And then we're just gonna wanna fill all of this in. Okay. But then we want to, well, before we're gonna fill it in, we need to do these things right here. And then we're gonna wanna do right there, 1 more line. There we go. And as I said before, we need to fill all this in. But I'm pretty sure you guys can see that Among Us yellow. Like that. Oh, there we go. And then all we're gonna wanna do is this. And there's our giant Among Us figure. And I think it looks awesome. And it is very high up, so if you guys did this in survival, that would be very impressive. Well, bye guys. I said bye, but I didn't mean it. I just figured out this, guys. If they are the imposter, delete 2 of the blue blocks and add those 2 connecting to each other, and it looks like it's a sabotage. Okay, bye for real, guys.